The Ram Power Plays of the Week, brought to you by the all-new 2019 Ram 1500.
That's a play after the pitch went to the ground.
Sixth possession for the Panthers. Little flea flicker. Pickett lining up, going to shoot it deep. Taysom Mack is there. Mack down the far sideline, banged out around the 15.
Love the play call. It's a defense that comes out on their heels, maybe not expecting it, maybe hanging their heads a little bit, feeling sorry for themselves, trying to get to the halftime locker room. You get on downs.
On third down, Lawrence to the air. Blitz picked up by Davis. Downfield, wide open, Justin Ross. Ross, a couple of great juke moves. He is the future at Clemson, and you got a glimpse.
Get used to this connection. Lawrence to Ross, these two here. Great protection in the pocket. And Lawrence showing off that $1 million arm as Ross with the wiggle out.
The ball again. They get the ball at the beginning of the second half. Harris down the sideline. Lloyd caught. Lloyd going all the way. Another big play. Touchdown.
Look at the deliverance of that football.
Was that one hand? Did he catch that with one hand? Watch. Oh my! Johnathan Lloyd.
And those are the Ram Trucks Power Plays of the Week.